unboxing video of this Microsoft Surface Go, which my husband bought. I don't actually know what it is. I think it says it's a window. I think it's like a tablet, and you can put like a Bluetooth keyboard on it. And yeah, I don't know what it is. Oh, it does have a proper keyboard, but I think it's quite expensive, so we've just gone for the basic Surface Go. This is the back, tells you what it's got on it. So it says Intel Pentium Gold processor, 4415Y, 128 gigabytes, whatever that is, Go. 8 gigabytes Go RAM. So model number 1824. I'm looking over there because my husband's sat over there. So if I get anything wrong, you can tell me that I've done it wrong. Okay, so now I'm trying to open it. How am I supposed to open that? It's literally so tight wrapped around, you can't even get anything in there to open it. Thanks. Right. There you go. My assistant. Okay. So yeah, it comes in the cellophane stuff and this little bag. Okay. You see, I don't know if you can see, lift it up. That's why I chuck it on the floor. There we are. So that's just a plane, that's the lid. This is upside down, I think. So that's that bit. That's what you see when you open the box. And then you get it out, tip it out. Ooh. You're looking at me going, don't you bloody drop that? Okay, so this is the tablet. It's got the little Windows logo on there. And oh, that's upside down, I think. There's the camera. And it's also got a front camera there. Looks good. It's not very heavy. Not too bad. You get this little, whatever this is, a cardboard, what's it? That's got the instructions inside. Well, it may not be the instructions, it might just be, yeah. That's the instructions. Like this. That bit. Hang on a minute. Okay. Yeah, that's underneath. That's the instructions. This bit here is, I imagine, the power adapter. Oh. Which looks like that. It's a bit weird, isn't it? I'm not sure. I think this bit will slide on to there like that. Yeah, so that bit goes in there, that bit slides on there like that. There. So that's for travel, I guess, so you can take it apart. What the earth is that? It's got some funny dodgy what's it on the bottom. I think it's like magnetic. I don't know if you can see that. Oh. Like that. So I think it's like magnetic.
You can charge it with USB-C as well.
Okay, you can charge it with a USB-C as well. Which is good because that's what our phones use. Am I allowed to take this off?
Yeah.
Okay, so it comes covered in this plastic cellophane. That's that bit. And then on the back, it's got a little, like a little stand. So you can put it on your desk, or on your lap. Tap away like that. It's quite good, isn't it? It feels really, really good quality, actually. Don't feel flimsy, like you could snap it off. It does feel quite sturdy.
Not like a USB.
So let's have a look what we've got on here.
Under the flap.
Okay, so we've got the, that must be the, where does the magnetic bit go? I'll say that bit there, the charger end goes into there, by the looks of it. It's also got the USB-C slot there, and a headphone jack there. Got your volume and your power buttons on the top. And oh, actually it might go on there. The charger might go down there actually. I lied. Might be on there.
That goes on the side.
I don't know what that is then.
That's for the
Oh, is that for the keyboard?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's in case you have a keyboard. that bit there. But I can't see. My husband seems to think there's a
It's under the
slot
flap.
under the flap. Okay, so open the flap. Sounds rude. Yeah, what's
There's
under
at
it?
the end.
Where? This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there. There's like a little micro SD slot, so you can put a micro SD card in there, obviously. What size? You know what size you can go up to?
Don't know, I've got a terabyte coming, so hopefully.
Okay, so hopefully, yeah, that'll fit in there. So turn it on, see what it comes up like. You get your little Windows logo. It's the first time it's been switched on, obviously, isn't it? How long it's going to take to come on. So yeah, I like that. There's not much else in the box. It was just the charger and the instructions. But you can buy it with a, was it a pen and a keyboard?
You can buy the keyboard and the pen
Well, I think it's
and the mouse.
and a mouse. Yeah, it's a lot more expensive.
That was £509.
This was $509 just for the Surface Go. I think the keyboard. What did you say? The keyboard was £100,
100, round 100.
and the pen was £100.
Round 100.
Yeah.
And the mouse.
And the mouse is probably about. Oh, is it? Oh, that's cheap. That's 30 quid.
All around
£100.
100 quid for the.
So there you go. So you're looking at nearly £1,000 if you want all the bits together. Which we haven't done. It's just waiting. It's just doing this. Okay, so yeah, then you get your options for language. Would you do
The
that?
correct one.
Don't have some language I can't read. That'd be good. Okay.
Hi there.
Ooh,
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
need all the help I can get,
Once
madam.
you sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, so this is.
Really
Use your
brilliant.
voice
Okay.
or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, so that's like the welcome screen, I guess. You connect it to your
Your
Wi-Fi.
region is set to United Kingdom.
Yeah, we're in the United Kingdom.
Your keyboard is set to United Kingdom.
Yeah, we're
Do
in the,
you
yeah.
also type with another keyboard layout?
Do we? Do you want to add a second keyboard? No, because we haven't got a second keyboard at the moment. Hopefully you can see this.
Now, let's get you connected to a network. That way. Now, type your credentials.
Type your credentials. Well, yeah, I won't
Do
go
it
into
later.
that anymore because obviously we're going to be in this video forever. But yeah, that's a startup. That's a tablet. It's like a matte. Well, I don't know. It's like matte silver. I don't know if you can see. It's not shiny, which is good because otherwise you get.
It's platinum.
Yeah, otherwise you get like scratches on it. But it does like the screen changes around. So yeah, that's it.
Now,
But,
type
oh
your
no.
credentials.
Alright, sure, stop talking to me now. How'd you go back? I don't know how you work it. I don't know how you turn it off. So I just shut the screen off. There we are. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. And I'll see you again soon.